Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Ada, and I'm excited to talk with you today.
Hi, Ada, and hello, listeners. Today we're diving into a great topic, daily routines and time management. It's something important for everyone.
That's right, Jake. Managing our time well helps us be more productive and less stressed. Plus, it's a useful topic for English learners to talk about.
Let's start with some key vocabulary. Words like schedule, deadline, and priority are very common when talking about routines.
For example, a schedule is a plan that shows when you will do tasks. You might say, I have a busy schedule today.
And deadline means the time by which you must finish something. For instance, the project deadline is Friday. It reminds us to manage time carefully.
Another important word is priority. It means what is most important. We say, this task is my top priority. That helps us focus on what matters first.
Now, let's look at daily routines. People often say, I wake up early, or I check my emails first thing in the morning. These phrases show simple habits.
Yes, and using phrases like first thing in the morning helps describe the order of actions. For example, I drink coffee first thing in the morning before work.
Talking about time is useful too. Try in the afternoon, at night, or before bed. These expressions help us organize sentences better.
Exactly. And we often use phrasal verbs with daily routines like wake up, get up, and check in. They sound natural in daily conversation.
Let's clear up a common mistake. People sometimes confuse wake up and get up. Wake up means to stop sleeping, while get up means to leave the bed.
Good point. Another tip. When you want to ask for clarification, try saying, could you explain that again? Or, I'm not sure I understand. Can you repeat? This is helpful in conversations.
Also, listen for body language and tone. Someone might say, I'm fine, but their voice sounds tired. This helps us understand the real meaning.
That's right, Jake. English idioms are useful too. For time management, we say burning the midnight oil, which means working late at night.
Here's a pronunciation tip. Words like schedule can be pronounced differently. In American English, it's schedule, but in British English, it's schedule. Both are correct.
Improving vocabulary is important. Try to learn new time-related words each day and use them in sentences like, my priority today is studying English.
Now, let's think about practical use. How do you organize your day? Do you use calendars or apps? These tools can make time management easier and more fun.
Yes, and remember, balancing work and rest is key. A good routine helps reduce stress and improves your English learning too.
To summarize, using key phrases like schedule, deadline, and priority will help organize your daily routine better. Practice these often.
Keep asking for clarification and pay attention to feelings in conversations. These skills make communication smoother and more effective.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe and share our podcast. See you next time.